Ethereum is nearly ready to get the all-time high break that we've been waiting for. And not only that, it looks like Chainlink caught some support along previous resistance and is ready to continue price discovery. On this channel about 1 week ago, we discussed that Bitcoin dominance was very likely going to collapse. And looking at the weekly chart for Bitcoin dominance, that is exactly what we're seeing right now. On this channel, we are focused on maximizing our potential in the long term. So if that interests you, smash up that like button, subscribe to this channel, and now let's get started. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about Ethereum, Chainlink, Bitcoin dominance, and what we can expect for the upcoming alt season. Today, Bitcoin is down 1.5%, trading just below 32,000. And something we don't see all that often is Bitcoin's down today, but Ethereum is up almost 8%, trading just below $1,400. And today's market is a mixed bag. Some altcoins are down, some altcoins are up in a really big way. We can see Uniswap is up almost 24%, Aave is up over 30%, and in my opinion, we are very close to initiating the first major alt season of 2021. Depending on what exchange you're looking at, last week, Ethereum actually grazed its all-time high price at $1,440 here on Coinbase. And we're currently trading less than $100 away from that all-time high price. Guys, this is a red alert, or I should call it a green alert, because Ethereum is ready to break the all-time high, and it may happen sooner than you expect. We know that fundamentally, Ethereum is a powerhouse. Ethereum is powering the future of finance and majority of the DeFi market. And something that's given Ethereum an even stronger edge recently is Ethereum 2 staking. Looking at the Ethereum Launchpad website, there is already over 2.8 million Ethereum staked. And this is just the main staking contract. And this isn't even all the Ethereum staked. But if you just calculate the 2.8 million Ethereum that you see right here, that is nearly 2.5% of the entire Ethereum supply is currently locked up until phase 1.5 is complete and the transition to ETH2 is finished. And this number is only growing as time goes on. The more staking there is, the thinner the supply gets and the easier the price can move up. So ETH2 staking is adding an even stronger edge for the bulls in this bull market. Really quick, if I may mention, this is my ETH2 staking position that you're looking at right now. I have 31 ETH staked on the Kraken exchange. Staking ETH on Kraken is super easy. Use my Kraken affiliate link below if you haven't already signed up. And I'm using Cryptowatch to monitor my ETH2 staking position. And it's totally free to sign up with Cryptowatch. Use those links below. And going back to Ethereum on the weekly chart here, we're exceeding the volume levels from 2017. We have never seen volume levels this high. And to me, this is showing that the interest for Ethereum has never been higher before. And this is because Ethereum is laying the groundwork for the future of finance, for decentralized finance, and the DeFi narrative is what's powering this bull market right now. And as you guys know, we've been bullish on Ethereum for a very long time. Even after the March crash, we were very bullish on Bitcoin. We were very bullish on Ethereum here on this channel. So we've been long Ethereum on this channel for, a very long time now, and the gains are becoming epic. And this is really just the start of the bull market. Bitcoin dominance has barely even started to collapse. As you guys know, about a week ago, we were talking about Bitcoin dominance ready to collapse. And it seems like every day that goes by, every time I make a video, Bitcoin dominance is just going lower and lower and lower. And this is actually a bullish sign for everything. Bitcoin's price only really started to skyrocket in 2017 once Bitcoin dominance started to collapse, once a lot of money started flowing into the market. And this also means that the first major alt season of 2021 is just getting started. And we can also see that the total market cap of everything excluding Bitcoin is now coming up to the all-time high. And once Ethereum gets its all-time high break, we're going to see an explosion of the total market cap here. And if we're using our fib extension targets on the weekly chart, it looks like our first target is coming in around $1,785 at the 1272. This is the first major price target that market participants are going to be targeting on a breakout. But as you guys know, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to see a 6-digit price target in this bull market, potentially as high as 250,000. And if that does occur, we have to use some higher fib extension targets for Ethereum to see where this is really going. And we can see the 1618 is coming in around $2,272, and the 2618 for Ethereum is coming in around $3,628. I actually believe that once Ethereum gets the breakout here, we're going to be running up to the 2618. That is the first longer term or medium term upside target. I'm looking for 3,628 as the first major upside target. And after that, I actually do expect that we would see a longer term pullback, a consolidation, before running up again to much higher prices. You know, something like this is actually reminiscent of what happened here in 2017. And if Bitcoin does hit my 6-digit upside target, I would actually expect Ethereum to be sitting around the $10,000 price level. But we got to stay realistic. Even though that might sound extremely bullish, I think it's going to take a while to get there. And we're probably going to be testing up towards 3,600 before seeing a multi-month pullback consolidation before getting that second wave up to new all-time highs to test towards that $10,000 price level. And again, as you guys know, we are focused on the long term here on this channel. And this is the kind of stuff that we're looking out for. And Ethereum could be moving up another 170% to around 3,600 before actually getting a multi-month consolidation. So there's a lot of gains ahead of us over the coming few months. And ultimately at the end of this run, I'm looking for something closer to 10,000 to as high as 15,000 before getting the next major bear market. And from current prices, that's another, 650%, potentially as high as 1,000% gains for Ethereum in this bull market. And guys, this is the crypto market. Gains like this are actually very realistic and very common throughout bull markets. And we know the US dollar is being devalued. That is what's driving the bullish narrative for Bitcoin right now. And the bullish narrative for Ethereum is the fact that it's powering 90% of the decentralized finance market right now. The Ethereum ecosystem is a powerhouse. And these are the kind of predictions that I'm going to clip months from now to show you, if it was accurate or not. Now, moving on to Chainlink on the daily chart. As you guys know, we love Chainlink on this channel, and it's amazing to see that we are now going through price discovery. Chainlink hit $25.50 just yesterday. And we came back to retest the previous breakout zone at $23.26. We actually just touched that on the daily, and we've rallied on up, and we are looking to continue this breakout now. And like I was saying in all my previous videos, the next major price target to the upside that's imminent in the short term, in my opinion, is $28 at the 1618 fib extension target. Now, these fib extensions, guys, are no joke. They actually get respected. When we broke the $20 all-time high just the other day, we tested exactly at the 1272 before getting our pullback, and now we're breaking out again. So I would be looking at $28 for all you short-term traders out there. $28 could be your next upside target. And for Chainlink, looking at some of our upper fib extension targets here, we can see the 1618 just around $28. But ultimately on this run, on this breakout, I'm looking for at least $40 at the 2618. And you can see that Chainlink is getting a ton of momentum right now. The price is actually creating a parabolic structure. And we could easily, in my opinion, look to, test up towards 28, consolidate before running up to $40 before then possibly looking to break down out of that formation and create a larger scale bull run, a larger scale parabolic formation before continuing up in this bull market. So yes, even if Chainlink does test $40 in the next coming months, you could expect that we would see a breakdown, potentially back down to, $27, maybe as low as $25 current prices actually, before running up again. This type of market structure is actually what you should expect in the crypto market. It's very common to see these larger scale parabolic trends form during bull runs. But we'll see. After we hit $40, it's not guaranteed that we'll get a pullback. Depends on how bullish Ethereum and Bitcoin are. Maybe we run up higher before breaking down, but I would expect a larger scale parabolic formation here for Chainlink, sort of in a similar way that I'm talking about Ethereum, how we could run up to 3,600 before seeing a pullback to then run up again. And looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, it does seem like we are building a nice base of support now, right? It looks pretty good. I think the sellers are getting exhausted. We actually do have hidden bullish divergence here on the daily. If you're looking, we have lower lows on the RSI, higher lows on the daily, and this is a bullish signal to me. We're getting some good buy action. I think that will probably end up building out here for Bitcoin. Over the next coming weeks, we'll start to build back up. But as we know, when Bitcoin is trading sideways like this or pulling back, this is jet fuel for alt season. And as we've been saying on this channel, Ethereum could be getting its breakout as Bitcoin's consolidating. And right now, that seems to be almost exactly what's happening. So guys, get ready for this breakout for Ethereum. We could be seeing some epic gains in the near future. Chainlink is also looking extremely bullish. And the first major alt season of 2021 is just starting right now. And we could see Bitcoin dominance see another major collapse throughout the next year, just like 2017, right? I think Bitcoin dominance will probably end up seeing a major pullback once again in this bull market. So the opportunity in crypto is immense right now. We are only 700 subscribers away from hitting 40,000 subscribers. And it's pretty amazing to be getting to these levels for my subscriber count. I've put my blood, sweat, and tears into this channel, and it would mean the world to me if you could smash that subscribe button and also hit that like button. Helps out these videos. And if you guys want to see what other altcoins I think have massive potential, some lower cap alt picks, if you want to see what I think has potential in this upcoming bull market, definitely consider joining the Patreon. This is a limited time offer. Prices will be going up. In my Patreon, I'm looking for projects that have good long-term sustainable growth potential. I'm not doing pump and dump, picks, right? I'm actually looking for value, and I'm looking to hold that over the next many months. So if that type of investing strategy interests you, join the Patreon, and I'll see you all in the next video.